I do not see the ICC as a... I do not know. I cannot be optimistic about the situation since this is a foreign institution and I do not know. It has its own issues. Even the United States sanctioned the ICC, right? They have issues with the United States. So it's hindi ko alam talaga. I do not trust this thing that you call the ICC. Because most of the people that are in there are from developing countries.
Correct.
Wala kang makikita diyan na you know from the EU or whatever or Western countries. You know, you don't find people there from west-leaning nations. So they just use this institution to intervene in the domestic affairs of a country. And I do not know how, but that's my theory. Well, let's just leave it at that. But that's my observation. So, wala akong pakialam talaga kung anong magiging result nito. All I care about is my gratitude to people who are supporting my father, those who believe in him, and especially the things that he did for the Philippines during his administration. So yung mga naniniwala sa kanya, mas may pakialam ako doon. As far as kung ano mangyayari dito sa ICC na yan, I do not trust that institution. Well, there should have been a proper way of putting him inside the detention unit, and he was supposed to go to the local courts, but none of that was followed. The protocol was not followed. Okay? So, why is he there? So that's the main question. Yun pa lang, kailangan pinag-uusapan na natin. If that institution is truly, you know, for lack of a better term, kung maayos talaga, then they should send him back and follow the usual process. Diba? Kung talagang honorable tong institution na to. Because they know for a fact that this person inside, who seems to be my father, who is my father, kinuha, nilagay sa isang eroplano without going to the local courts and was sent here in the Netherlands into the detention unit.
Yes, correct.
So, anong asahan ko?
Yes.
So, how can I be optimistic in an institution that cannot follow its own rules?
Yes.